Hastings is bankrupt, and its 5 stores in the Treasure Valley are set to close.
Employees will soon be out of a job, and Kelsey McFarland shows us that local shoppers aren't too happy either. She joins us live in Boise.
Yeah, Hastings stores like the one behind me on Fairview Avenue have books, toys, and just about anything in between. The reason why Treasure Valley shoppers enjoy the one-stop shop so much, but soon they'll have to find a new place to go. It appeals to all ages and most hobbies.
Music, movies, drinking stuff like beer pong, toys,
posters, t-shirts.
Yeah.
Hastings has been home to all things entertainment for Treasure Valley shoppers.
They've been around for so long.
Well, it's just got so many different things that I like, that my kids like.
For Diana and her family, the aisles are filled with things they can't find anywhere else.
I like buying those little figurines with all of those characters.
Which is why they were disappointed to hear that all Hastings stores in the U.S. are set to close, including 5 in the Treasure Valley.
It's sad. It's one of my favorite stores.
The company filed for bankruptcy 5 weeks ago in an attempt to reposition their long-term business goals. But instead, the buyer decided to liquidate all Hastings stores. Now, we asked Hastings representatives, and they say they can't tell us just how many employees will be losing their jobs because of this or when the doors will close indefinitely. But they did say that they'll not accepting gift cards as of July 13th. Coming up at 5:30, I'll tell you what you can do with those gift cards. Live in Boise, Kelsey McFarland, KBY2 News.